This is BBC One Wales. All programs in Wales and rest of the Cymru area are suspended for a emergency. Please stand by. A green creature 1.3 times the size of a person has been setting flames on people for no reason in Cardiff. The creature name is Vineria, and she is in Glasgow in Scotland. We don't know if it's gonna enter Western Wales. Normal programming shall resume.
This is Entertainment 4 in London. Emergency broadcast will transmit in Glasgow, Selkirk, and Edinburgh. If you're in these areas, you must evacuate or take shelter due to emergency. Please stand by for the information. A creature named Sprunki Vineria has been setting flames on the residents of Scotland. We don't know, but it's been confirmed that the creature looks like this. The UK residents are now shocked of the assassination of Scottish leader. This broadcast concludes.
This is BBC Two Northern Ireland. A creature named Sprunki Vineria has forced us to turn off every analog signal, so we agree so we don't get any trouble. Every analog channels will shut down on the 24th of October. If you want to watch BBC Two Northern Ireland, contact Digital UK at 43856 50 50 50, or visit digitaluk.co.uk. Now everyone shall tune into their digital equipment to continue BBC Two Northern Ireland. If you are viewing this on satellite or cable, you don't need to switch from the analog server. Good night and goodbye.
Something special just happened. Singular, the leading wireless company, joined with AT&T, the largest broadband provider in America. Now you can connect to your world in faster, richer ways. You still get the fewest dropped calls on the coolest devices and talk on the largest calling community in the nation. Singular is now the new AT&T. Your world delivers.
I regret to inform you, this will be the final broadcast. All ITV channels have been merged into ITV1. Please stand by for updates. Just this morning, a creature 1.3 times the size of our original person, and it's from Sprunki, a music game full of horror, has been setting flames on people for no reason. Please stand by for more information. This creature is given the name Sprunki Vineria since 1993 or 1994. But this is not the case. The UK is in danger. Gather your loved ones until Vineria finds you. When she finds you, she will stab you, and you will be cut into 1,000 pieces. Then your body will be burned. The burning place is in London. That's the broadcast for the last time. 1955 to 2007. We have been broadcasting from black and white to color. Save our Queen.
Due to our sad-ass depressing voice, Channel 5 has suspended its normal programming for an emergency broadcast. As you may know, ITV1 notified all Channel 5 servers about a creature named Sprunki Vineria since 1993 or 1994. This is just the beginning of Europe's biggest nightmare known to mankind. ITV4 also gave us that the creature has no hair. Deaths in the UK from 1 million to 15 million is crazy. Just like your mom. If you want to die on your own terms is not appropriate at Channel 5. But you can do so by choosing a blade, and slicing your throat. This is a goodbye from Channel 4 and 5. We hope we meet again in another era. Now our national anthem.
This is BBC Two in Glasgow. UK population 25 million. Capital London. Scotland capital Edinburgh. Scotland population 3 million. Weather in UK. 74 degrees Fahrenheit. News. Emergency. Emergency means you must take shelter this instant. A creature named Sprunki Vineria is burning people in England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland, and later, the creature killed Prime Minister Tony Blair. Also, the creature has entered and started a murder spree in the BBC Two headquarters. Ah!
This is UK TV G2. Our program has been suspended due to a global emergency. Please stand by, as this will transmit in Glasgow, Edinburgh, Selkirk, London, and much more cities across the UK.
This is the BBC from London. Well, this is it. The UK has fallen due to Vineria. The creature has caused trouble across the UK. The broadcast will transmit in all channels in the UK. And after this broadcast, all channels in Europe will cease broadcast. The remaining population is 3,000. After 84 years. This is it. Thanks and goodbye.